Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around someone? 'Cause don't you wanna have fun?
This is a 2 to 3 times a week, just like the Tatcha. So we're gonna use this. My face has nothing on it. No makeup. We have not done anything. Oh my God, that's hot. Says to wet the face, so we did. Oh my God, that's hot. That's so good. Wow. I appreciate you putting the hottest hot water in there. Oh my gosh. Stay away from the eye area. All right, so we're going to open this up and we're going to add a little on there like we do the Tatcha. All right. Not a lot, you guys. You're not making a bowl of oatmeal. And then you just add a little water. That's what it does.
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine. Got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my love right now.
Stop the music. That felt fantastic. Let me just tell you, that was amazing. That is very much so just like the Tatcha rice. Is it the rice? Let me see which one I'm talking about. The rice polish classic. It is classic. It's like an old car. Anyway, so we just used this one right here. This one here is the luminous exfoliator. And I can tell you right now, it feels very nice. So we're going to go to the next one in line that I believe we should be using next. And that is this one right here. The Revitalizing Aura Mist. A naturally rose-scented revitalizing face mist and toner with Jericho, and I'm not sure which hazel they're talking about again, but that's okay. We'll just keep moving on. All right, so let's mist our face. I'm trying to figure out what we're going to use next. Oh, that is fine. That is very fine mist.
While he said, don't you wanna have fun?
I will say this, and some of you that have ever had horses, yes, might agree with me. If you got this, it smells like fly wipe. I'm sorry, Alicia, but this smells just like fly swipe. The stuff that you spray on a hand mitt and rub on your horse to keep the flies away. It has a gentle, let's get back. We're not going to keep knocking. Doesn't mean it doesn't work. Matter of fact, just brings back memories. That's all it does. It's bringing back horse memories. Okay, it's like being in the barn. Anyway, let's get back to this. So it has a hint of roses. It does. It's very small. Those of you that do not like the smell of roses, the scent, you're going to be okay with this, I think. I think you will. Just stop complaining all the time. Anyway, all right, we're trying to find what the next one's going to be. Let's try this Primrose Serum. But before we do that, I always like to do, because we have letting this soak in, just a moment. That's right. Fan yourself. Where's my fan boy? I need a cabana boy. Where's Edward? Oh, that's right, damn it. He's on suspension.
It needs a little kickstart.
Okay, so we've done that. I like to do my eye cream first before I do any serums and all that kind of stuff and then stuff. This is the Radiant Eye Cream. We're going to do this. It's the under eye. Where is my... come on. I've got tools. I've got my Anissa Beauty brush. This one is the eye treatment brush from Anissa Beauty. I have a couple of these. I have several of these. Just telling you guys, because I don't like to put my fingers in jars and cross-contaminate products. You see how I'm teaching them about skincare and they don't even know it? I know, they're just, some of them are just like, doing. I'm sorry, my deepest apologies. You guys are not doing. I'm not sure where that came from. It just was there. Anyway, because I do not like to cross-contaminate my skin oils from one product to the other, I use the Anissa Beauty eye treatment brush, and I have several of them. They're angled specifically. I mean, you guys, these things, they're designed for skincare. So sometimes I'll go like this, watch. You see, the back of the brush is designed like a spatula.
Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Ooh, who needs a job to pay the rent is busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished to stay, but they're done. Red eyes while he's shut.
You know, this eye right here, my right eye, that is the one that the lady had the horse accident, the really bad one in the early 2000s. This is the one that causes the most pain on our face because it's got a lot of nerve damage. So anyway, this was the eye cream. As I mentioned, don't cross-contaminate. That's why they have the back of the brush. Then I just wipe it off, dip it, wipe. Okay, so next we're going to be using the Promise Serum. This is the next step in our skincare routine from Keys Soulcare. All right, this is the lightweight brightening facial serum with niacinamide. This has zinc, snow mushrooms. I think he's having a nightmare. You know, the lady's little chihuahua, his name is Buddy. He's having a nightmare right now. He's on the bed and he's like running. He's running in his sleep, but he's like yelping at the same time. I have to keep an eye on him because he is prone to seizures. All right, and this one has the zinc PCA. Okay, so I think I already said that. This one is going to reduce our oil levels. Okay, well, let's do this. Come on, Alicia, bring it on. And we don't need that much. We don't need that much. Let me get just a moment. Another skincare brush from Anissa. This one is the Angled Care. You see how it's designed? So it gets, just follow along. Take some notes if you need to. William, these people up front up here, they need a pad and paper. They need to take notes. They're not listening. Here we go.
Ooh, who needs a job to pay the rent is busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished to stay, but they're done. Red eyes while he's shut. Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
So I think that's just about everything we have. So we did the eye cream. We did the Promise Serum. We did the exfoliator, and we used the Aura Mist. The only product we did not use was the cleanser, and that was because I did cleanse before. So my apologies, Alicia. We're gonna use this golden cleanser. We are going to use it. What does it say? I'm devoted to this moment. Oh, that's right. We're just gonna devote it to the moment. We'll devote it to another moment. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, now we do have one more product, you guys. Comforting Balm. This one is a soothing skin balm for the face. Oh, soothing. What part of our face needs soothed right now? Well, I'm trying to think. You guys tell me, what part would you soothe right now? Mine is kind of the lips. So, we're gonna grab another brush. A smaller brush that has a spatula end on it. This one is the spot treatment. This is perfect. It's perfect. Did you see this? Did you know that was going to happen? Hey, lazy ass. That was so perfect. You should be going like this. That was perfect. It's a spot treatment. That was so perfect. I didn't even know the name of the brush. I mean, I did, but I didn't. Okay, so let's put this somewhere. Where do we want to put it? It says to just anywhere, because it has avocado oil and shea butter. So let's add some of this to our lips, like around our lips.
Yeah, this baby said that they don't got a future like that. It hurts, so giving something worse to pass the time. Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone. Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
And done. So I think we have used just about every product except for the cleanser, which is just fine. Don't worry about it. We'll use it on another day, another time, another moment. So this is delicious, you know. I mean, just, oh my gosh. It smells very soothing. So far, her entire line here, we like it. And putting that right here, it just, I don't know. I'm going to let you guys know in like an hour or two how my face feels. She's going to let you know when she does her videos after she puts her makeup on. And why she left us looking like this? Well, because this is what we look like when we wake up. She's got to spray the hair with some water and oil, and all them curls are going to wake up. So thank you so much, you guys, for sitting down, watching this video with me, going over all of the stuff from Keys Soulcare that came in the American Influencer Beauty Bundle box. That is month to month, $35, $38 if you're going to sign up now. You know, it's all of that darn just raise the prices right now, but that's okay, you guys. Sometimes it's worth it. So at $129, this is a really good price for a lot of skincare. And you know, I'm just saying, it's very affordable. It is very affordable. I like it. My pores look very blurred. Okay, you guys, now we're going to talk about brightening. That's the one thing I did not see. Now we'll talk about that in another video. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. And until my next video, you guys. Bye. Peace.